back to my channel, or welcome if you're new, and thank you for stopping by. My name is Whitney, and for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys our back deck transformation. My husband and I moved into our house last year, and so our deck was pre-treated, so we couldn't stain it until this year. So that is what we did, and we went ahead and put some furniture and an umbrella and just made it really nice and cozy and homey, and now we can sit out there and enjoy the weather, and I just love the way that it turned out. Anyways, I'm just gonna hop right on into the video, and I hope that you guys enjoy it. So the first thing that we did was repaint some furniture that my mom actually gave to us. My mom and stepdad had this spare furniture set that they weren't really using anymore. It had a little bit of rust and stuff on it, so all we really had to do was sand it down and repaint it. This is the paint spray that we used. I really like how it turned out. I wanted more of a matte finish rather than glossy. We did end up starting to paint this in our garage, and obviously that's a terrible idea. So we moved it out into the grass, and I think it took us a couple of days to get everything done just between us being busy and rain. It kind of made it difficult to get it all done in one day. So here is just a little before of what our deck looked like before we stained it. As you can see, we don't really have anything out here but a couple of chairs and our grill, and we really just wanted to make this more homey. This is the stain that we used by the brand ABBA. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it is the Cordovian brown color, and we really love how it turned out. The only thing I will say is the deck gets really, really hot now on really sunny days, and I burnt my foot the other day stepping on it, so that is just one thing to keep in mind before staining your deck a dark color. Moving into actually furnishing the back deck, I just want to thank ABBA Patio for sending us this patio umbrella to share with you guys. I love it so much, you guys. It is a 10-foot umbrella, so it covers up our entire deck, and it is so sturdy and really good quality. It was really easy to assemble. It didn't take us very long, and I love how easy it is to wind up and put down. I'm able to do it, and I'm not a strong person at all. ABBA Patio is also really awesome and has a code for you guys to use. I will leave it right here on the screen and in the description box, and it will give you 15% off site-wide. So here you're just gonna see us setting it up. My husband did end up nailing the umbrella to the porch just because we live in a wind tunnel and we knew it was gonna blow away. So we did end up doing that instead of buying a heavy duty base. I think maybe we'll do that in the future, but for now, this is what works best. And then here's a little preview to show you guys just how easy it is to set this thing up, and it is so big. I am blown away about how big this umbrella is. It covers our entire deck. And then here I'm just unrolling this patio rug we got from Lowe's. It was on clearance for like $60, and it's really good quality, and I'm really happy with the contrast between the light and dark. So the last step is to set up all of the furniture, and we got these red cushions from Lowe's by the brand Allen Roth, and I just love how plush and comfortable they are. We sat in these all night one night, and our bums didn't hurt at all. guys, that is it for this back deck patio, whatever you want to call it, transformation. I love the way everything turned out, and thank you again, ABBA Patio, for sending us this amazing umbrella. We love it so much, and we're looking forward to spending the rest of the summer outside. As always, thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and I will see you all in the next one.